Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on notification settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do, just go above email updates, click on it. When you click on email updates, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here and you come here to contracts. So then you go down, come here to a time log is ready for review, click in this sign. That like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.